In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a leave form in Microsoft Forms. First, we need to open Microsoft Forms and sign in. As you do this, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you will see various options for creating and managing forms. Signing in is crucial because it ensures that your forms are saved securely to your account. Once you enter your credentials and gain access, you are ready to create your leave form. This initial step sets the foundation, allowing you to utilize all the features available in Microsoft Forms. Next, click on the New Form button. This action will lead you to a blank canvas where you can start building your form. The New Form button is prominently displayed, making it easy to find. This is your opportunity to create something tailored to your needs. Once you click on it, the screen refreshes to show a space for you to enter a title and description. This makes it clear that you are starting a new project, and it will help keep your workspace organized. Now, enter a title for your form, like Leave Request Form. You can also add a description if needed. This title is important because it identifies the purpose of the form. A clear title helps users understand what information they need to provide. The description can offer additional guidance, ensuring that respondents know exactly what to include when filling out the form. This clarity can reduce errors and make the process smoother for everyone involved. After setting the title and description, click on Add New to create fields for your form. This is where the real customization begins. You will see various options for different types of questions. For example, you can start with employee name as a text field. This field will allow respondents to enter their names, which is essential for identifying who is submitting the leave request. Each field you add contributes to gathering specific information that you will need later on. Next, add another field for employee ID, which is also a text field, but this one is optional. Including this field can be helpful for companies that use employee IDs for tracking purposes. By making it optional, you respect those who may not have an ID readily available. This flexibility can improve the user experience, making it easier for employees to submit their requests without feeling pressured to provide unnecessary information. Now, let's move on to adding the leave type field. This will be a choice field. Here you can list different types of leave like vacation, sick leave, or personal leave. This is important because it allows the organization to categorize the requests efficiently. By giving specific choices, you streamline the process and make it easier to analyze the types of leave being requested. Next, you will need to add the start date and end date fields, both as date fields. These are crucial for understanding the duration of the leave. Having clear start and end dates allows managers to plan accordingly and ensure that workflow is maintained during the employee's absence. As you add these fields, you will notice how they help in structuring the information clearly. After that, create a reason for leave field as a text field. This gives employees the chance to explain why they need time off. It adds a personal touch to the form and can help managers understand the context of the request. This field is essential for processing requests fairly and compassionately, which can foster a supportive work environment. Optional. If you'd like to get creative, click on Style to customize the form. This step allows you to adjust the visual appeal of your form, making it more engaging for users. A well-designed form can encourage more responses and make the experience more enjoyable. However, remember that functionality is key, and a simple design can still be very effective. Once you are satisfied with your form, click on Collect Responses. This action is crucial as it allows you to gather data from the form. You'll see options for sharing the form, which ensures that it reaches the right people. This step is important because it turns your hard work into actionable data, allowing you to manage leave requests effectively. Finally, copy the link or send the form by email. This step is your last chance to ensure that your form gets into the hands of those who need it. Sharing the form correctly is essential to collect responses efficiently. Whether through a link or email, you are setting the stage for easy access and completion. To view leave requests, open the form and click the Responses tab. This allows you to track all the submissions you receive. Monitoring these responses is vital for managing employee leaves and understanding workplace dynamics. By keeping an eye on this tab, you will have a clearer picture of your team's needs and can respond appropriately.